Guys, I'm gonna show you how to play this guessing game. We're gonna run this real quick, and right here we're gonna pick a positive integer. So the demonstration wants me to pick one. They pick a number between one and one. We're obviously gonna pick one. Okay, great. We got it in one, in one, and then we guess number one, and we can see that has been um, shown in the array. Then upload to list. Okay. Now we're going to pick one again. Okay, and we're gonna pick zero. Okay, then we're gonna pick two, and then we're gonna pick one. That took us three times. And we have the number 0, 2, and 1 displayed here. Okay, now we're gonna play it with 1C. Okay, we're gonna go 5 here higher. We're gonna go 9, maybe a 15, maybe a 17, 19 maybe. Oh, maybe 20. Okay, so it's 20 took us six times that time. Here are the numbers right there. Okay, now lastly, we're gonna go 50. Okay, so I'm gonna go with so I don't know 35. Okay, that that gives us a bit more to work with. Okay, narrows it down a bit. Okay, sweet, we got in three there. All right, that's Penguin's guessing games. Pretty straightforward, simple program, and yeah, good time for me.